Welcome to a fascinating journey through the landscape of Industry 5.0, where technology doesn't just advance, it collaborates with human ingenuity to reshape our world. Today, we're diving into the revolutionary concept of mass personalization, powered by IoT and machine learning. Think of it as the ultimate upgrade from mass production, tailored just for you. What is mass personalization? Imagine walking into a store where everything is made specifically for you. From your favorite coffee blend brewed just the way you like it, to clothes that fit perfectly and gadgets that cater to your unique needs. This is the essence of mass personalization. It's the blend of mass production efficiency with bespoke, tailor-made experiences. Thanks to advanced technologies like IoT and machine learning, this isn't science fiction anymore but a rapidly growing reality. The backbone of mass personalization, IoT and machine learning. IoT, connecting everything. The Internet of Things, IoT, is like the nervous system of this new industrial revolution. It connects everyday objects to the Internet, allowing them to send and receive data. From smart fridges that remind you to buy milk to industrial machines that predict maintenance needs, IoT devices are everywhere. These devices gather vast amounts of data, which is the lifeblood of mass personalization. Machine learning, making sense of data. Machine learning is the brain that makes sense of the data collected by IoT devices. By analyzing patterns and predicting outcomes, machine learning algorithms can customize products and services to meet individual preferences. For instance, streaming services like Netflix use machine learning to recommend shows based on your viewing history. Similarly, e-commerce platforms can suggest products you're likely to buy based on your past purchases and browsing behavior. The symbiotic relationship, IoT and machine learning in action. The synergy between IoT and machine learning is driving mass personalization to new heights. Let's explore how this dynamic duo is transforming various industries. Healthcare, personalized medicine. Imagine a world where your treatment plan is as unique as your fingerprint. IoT devices like wearable health monitors collect real-time data about your vitals. Machine learning algorithms analyze this data to provide personalized health recommendations. For example, diabetic patients can get customized diet and insulin plans based on their blood sugar levels monitored by IoT devices. This personalized approach not only improves health outcomes, but also enhances the quality of life. Retail, tailored shopping experiences. Retailers are harnessing the power of IoT and machine learning to create personalized shopping experiences. Smart mirrors in stores suggest outfits based on your previous purchases and current fashion trends. Online retailers use machine learning to recommend products you're likely to love. According to Intellias, a leading tech company, this level of personalization significantly boosts customer satisfaction and loyalty. Manufacturing, custom products at scale. The manufacturing industry is undergoing a transformation with the advent of smart factories. IoT devices monitor every stage of the production process, ensuring efficiency and precision. Machine learning analyzes production data to predict demand, optimize inventory, and reduce waste. This allows manufacturers to produce custom products at the scale and cost of mass production, meeting individual customer needs without compromising on efficiency. The future of work, human-centric AI. In Industry 5.0, humans and machines work together in harmony. AI and automation handle repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up humans to focus on creativity and strategic thinking. This human-centric approach not only boosts productivity, but also enhances job satisfaction, as highlighted by the International Conference on Smart Computing, IoT, and Machine Learning. This collaboration between humans and AI is paving the way for a more innovative and efficient future. Challenges and solutions. While the potential of mass personalization is immense, it's not without challenges. Data privacy and security are major concerns as the amount of personal data collected by IoT devices increases. Companies must ensure robust cybersecurity measures to protect this data. Additionally, the integration of IoT and machine learning requires significant investment in technology and skills. However, the benefits far outweigh the challenges, making it a worthwhile investment for the future. Real-world applications and success stories. Let's look at some concrete examples of how companies are leveraging mass personalization to revolutionize their industries. Nike, custom shoes. Nike's Nike By You program allows customers to design their own shoes. By integrating IoT and machine learning, Nike can offer a seamless customization experience. Customers can choose the color, material, and even add personal inscriptions to their shoes. This not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also builds brand loyalty. Starbucks, personalized beverages. Starbucks uses IoT and machine learning to create personalized beverage recommendations. By analyzing customer data from their app, Starbucks can suggest drinks that match individual preferences. This level of personalization has helped Starbucks increase customer engagement and sales. Tesla. Personalized driving experience. Tesla cars are a prime example of mass personalization in the automotive industry. Tesla uses IoT sensors and machine learning to monitor and analyze driving patterns. This data is used to personalize the driving experience, from seat adjustments to autopilot settings. Tesla's approach not only enhances the driving experience, but also improves safety and efficiency. How to get started with mass personalization. If you're intrigued by the potential of mass personalization and want to explore it further, here are a few steps to get started. Embrace IoT. Start by integrating IoT devices into your operations. Whether it's smart sensors for monitoring production or wearable devices for tracking health, IoT is the foundation of mass personalization. Invest in machine learning. Develop or adopt machine learning algorithms that can analyze data and provide actionable insights. This will enable you to offer personalized products and services that cater to individual preferences. Focus on data privacy and security. Ensure robust cybersecurity measures to protect the personal data collected by IoT devices. This will safeguard your operations. Collaborate with experts. Use services of companies and experts who specialize in IoT and machine learning. They can provide the tools and expertise needed to implement mass personalization effectively. Conclusion. Mass personalization, powered by IoT and machine learning, is transforming industries and enhancing our everyday lives. From personalized healthcare and tailored shopping experiences to custom products and human-centric AI, the possibilities are endless. Companies that embrace this new paradigm will not only meet the evolving needs of their customers, but also gain a competitive edge in the market. To dive deeper into this fascinating world, check out resources from leading tech companies like Intellias, IoT Business News, and the International Conference on Smart Computing, IoT, and Machine Learning. These platforms offer valuable insights and solutions to help you harness the power of mass personalization. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more AI-powered antics, go ahead and smash that subscribe button like it's an outdated CAPTCHA. Until next time, keep your algorithms error-free and your coffee strong.